It's recording. Okay. See if it's correctly.
For your safety, you gotta stay seated on the raft with your feet forward and hold on those handles at all times. If your flight stops for any reason, please wait in your raft for a crew member to come assist you. Soon you'll be off on your adventure with my pals, Mickey and Minnie.
Tomando água na cara aqui.
Until your raft reaches the dock. Then step out to your right. See ya!
Hey, you made it! Now, please stay seated until your raft reaches the dock. Then step on out to your right. Thanks.
Bye.
Keep your right steps.